to do some drilling. So more accessories going on this gorgeous build. You can see the heated grips already connected, hand guards. There are a few more goodies. We're making a huge progress here. Some really cool things we're seeing on this bike. You can see it is going to have 2 spare wheels. One has made its way to the very front of the bike, and check out the installation. As you can see, we used custom bushings, and we have heavy-duty rubber spacers here to make sure it doesn't touch the paint. And then on top of that, we have the roof rack. And as we make our way to the rear of the bike, we have another spare wheel with the rack. And then we have rollover protection bar. And this one is going to be really cool because we're setting up on top of it, we're setting up 2 LED driving lights similar to these ones. As you can see, we are running the harness inside the tube. That is still work in progress. And that's a pretty involved installation because we basically have to cut the holes. You can see there's a hole there. We cut the holes, and then these rubber grommets are going to be protecting the bike from the tube hitting the sheet metal. So those grommets are there, and then it's also going to mount into the base of the floor of the sidecar tub. Slim fuel canisters, 2 of them. The seat is back on the bike. Food box. And a few extra goodies on the steering bar.